Hey everybody, we are at the W Bangkok today, and this is going to be a very short video because all I captured was the room. But the W Bangkok is situated in the Silom area in Bangkok, very close to the Chongnonsi BTS. We chose to get a taxi over here, but it is really accessible to the center of Bangkok. And the W Bangkok is one of my favorite hotels in the world, so I'm excited to show you the upgraded room that we were able to receive. We had booked the standard room, but we were surprised with a deluxe room upon our arrival. So we just checked in, got a nice upgrade here at the W Bangkok. So this is one of my favorite hotels, if not my most favorite hotel in the world, and it always delivers in terms of amenities, room. So one of the big things that has changed recently here since the last time is that they've changed the products. So now you get some body cream, some face wash, which is quite different from a hotel. I've never seen face wash provided. You get the usual amenities here: toothbrush, shaving kit. And then here in the shower, this is one of the best showers in a hotel. It's a nice rainforest shower. You get a nice big bottle now of conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel. If ever stayed at the W, you know just how good these showers are. And not only that, but in our room, we have a huge bathtub to enjoy as well. W here presents complimentary water as well, so you get some Chang water to go as well. All the stuff that you need, plenty of towels, and a separate room for the toilet with nicely dimmed lighting. So come here now through to the room. And a nice little touch about the W, a nice little welcome cupcake. And for us, because it's our honeymoon, they've decorated it quite nicely as well, with a nice little recognition of our honeymoon. So all the amenities in the W are really cool because you got lots of gadgets. You got Bluetooth speakers. There's a tablet that you can use to talk to reception and also to get some information. Some nice Mentos on arrival, plenty of water. And also what's really cool about the W is a really cool mini bar here with martini glasses, alcohol. They call it the W Mix Bar, so if you ever want to just stay in your room and make some drinks, they do have an incredible bar downstairs here as well. So some W Bangkok popcorn, and of course the screen to watch anything as well. And even here they have some fun pre-mixes here that you can create with recommendations of the cocktails. And lots of cool information here and a desk that you can walk in with a beautiful view overlooking Bangkok. So yeah, it's a super spacious room, more than enough for two people. You have plenty of space and it's really well designed as well. Really nice interior here as well. There's the W bathrobe, slippers, and laundry. And nice little mini bar as well, with some tea, coffee, kettle. Everything there for you as well. I love staying in the W Hotel. We love it as well. It just has everything that you need. And it's really well designed, to be honest. It's one of the best designed hotels, I think, in the world. I just love all the touches, especially the feeling of Thai design here, which is really, really cool. You don't get anywhere else. W Bangkok is one of the nicest hotels in Bangkok, in my opinion, and in the world. and it is part of the Marriott Bonvoy group, so you can use your membership there to access points and special offers and rates. And we'll see you next time.